In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your bank account information for Etsy payments. By following this step-by-step guide, you'll ensure that your payments are set up correctly and smoothly without any unnecessary delays. To begin, head over to Etsy.com and log into your seller account. This is the account where you manage all your store activities, so be sure it's the one you want to work with today. Once you're logged in, you'll want to direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen and click on Shop Manager. This is your control center for all things related to your Etsy shop, and you'll find all the necessary tools available here. The next step is to navigate to the Finances section located on the left-hand sidebar of your Shop Manager dashboard. Click on this tab, and then proceed to Payment Settings. This area is crucial, as it's where you'll manage how you receive payments from Etsy. Under the Getting Paid section, you'll see your current bank account information displayed. It's important to review this information to make sure everything is accurate. If Etsy requires bank account verification, there will be a clear notification or prompt instructing you on what needs to be done. Now, in some instances, Etsy might send a small micro deposit to your bank account to complete the verification process. This is a common practice that ensures accuracy in linking your bank account. You'll want to check your bank statement, either online or through your banking app, for a small deposit from Etsy or its payment processor, Adyen. This micro deposit can range anywhere from 0.01 to 0.99 and typically shows up within 2 to 5 business days after you've updated your bank details. Once you've identified the deposit amount in your bank statement, make your way back to Shop Manager, then to Finances, and finally to Payment Settings. Here you'll enter the exact amount from the micro deposit you received. Entering this correctly is essential for completing the bank account verification process. The last step is simply to wait for Etsy's confirmation. After you enter the amount accurately, Etsy will confirm that your bank account has been verified. This means your information is accurate and you're all set to receive payments from your Etsy sales without any issues. And that's it. You've successfully verified your bank account information. This process is designed to protect you and ensure that your payments are processed hassle-free. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit this video anytime you need a refresher on the steps. If you have any questions or encounter issues, Etsy's help resources are a great place to find additional support.